Name of the channel is Bus Collection Florida. This is Tito's from Tito's Model Buses and more. And good afternoon, folks. Make this little video here for you. I'm gonna tell you something. Tell you a story. It's gonna make you laugh, and I'm not gonna get mad at you. Because stupid is and stupid does, you know? First of all, the good news is my first completed wheel swap. I'm just, Hot Wheels, yeah, it's a Hot Wheels. Where's the Hot Wheels? Says it right here. I did painted tail lights and the bumpers and the Chevy bow tie and some tail lights, but I swapped the wheels. Use this in my practice vehicle. Not my first attempt, but this was my first attempt. As you can see, it has no wheels, and I ruined my poor old 442 that was so darn shiny and nice. The rivets on this one didn't want to come out. Reason being, it's my fault. I was using a bit that was a little too small. So I kept pressing and pressing. Eventually, the rear one came loose. I said, good. And I did the first one. I mean, the front one. And I had it. I was, really on it, and they just wouldn't let go. So I grabbed it and gave it a good push, and it went right through the hood and right into my finger. You can still see the swelling there. It went so deep in my finger that I had to use put the drill in reverse to take it out. It still bothered me. It didn't bother me that much, when it first happened, but yesterday it was all red. Today is a little bit better. So, yeah, that was my attempt. I'm still gonna try to save this one. This is the one that I featured a couple of videos ago that had the hideous wheels on it. So, gonna move on. Show you a real short video, a bunch of red cars, all variations of reds. This is a Camaro IROC Z. Like that burgundy red, shiny. I like the wheels on it. Wish they were the same size, front and back, but they're not. Don't know why. Hot Wheels does that all right. Our next one, the 69 Mercury Eliminator, Hoover Eliminator, with the big old wheels in the back. That's played with condition, has a couple of little nicks in there, but I got it shiny enough to be able to put it on the video. It's Johnny Lightning, by the way, so it rolls really nice. Moving along. 1976 Honda Civic. Pretty and simple. Shiny red. It's a Matchbox. Another red car. Buick GNX, painted the headlights on it. Got real nice and shiny. This is a Keepus wheels. I like them. Moving out right along was a 2010 Camaro. It's a Jada They say 1/64 scale. I think it's a little too big for that, compared to something similar. I don't know. What do y'all think? But I like the wheels on this one. In fact, I like everything on that one. Now, finally, a purple car. It's another Jada. I hear people pronouncing it both ways. Don't really care for this like that, but hey, it's one of the shiniest cars in my collection, and it's purple. And I might have to do a wheel swap when I get a little more experience. I have one more. I almost forgot about this guy. Ford Ranchero. Beautiful paint on it. What do y'all think about these wheels? Change them out? So there they are. Hope you enjoyed the video. And my first wheel swap. The first successful one. Yep, I put them together. The two holes. So it's 84 degrees here in South Florida. You know what I say? In air-conditioned comfort.